Imagine waking up every morning without worrying about bills, debt, or the next paycheck. Imagine having enough money to travel where you want, buy what you need without stress, and invest in your future with confidence. For millions of people, this sounds like a dream. But here's the truth. Becoming wealthy isn't only about how much money you earn. It's about the habits you practice every single day. Two people can earn the same salary, yet one becomes financially free while the other stays trapped in debt for life. The difference isn't luck. It isn't talent. It isn't even education. The difference is habits. Welcome to Wealth Theory, where we learn how to build wealth, develop the mindset of successful people, and achieve financial freedom. If you want to transform your financial future, watch this video until the end, because one of these habits may be silently stealing your wealth right now. Living paycheck to paycheck has become normal for many people. Every month, they receive their salary, pay their bills, spend the rest, and wait anxiously for the next paycheck. This cycle repeats month after month and year after year. The biggest problem isn't that people earn too little. The biggest problem is that they spend everything they earn. As income increases, their lifestyle also increases. They buy a more expensive car, move into a larger house, purchase the newest phone, eat at expensive restaurants, and subscribe to services they rarely use. Instead of building wealth, they build bigger monthly expenses. Wealthy people think differently. Before they spend money, they save and invest a portion of it. They understand that every dollar can either work for them or disappear forever. They don't try to look rich. They focus on becoming rich. Imagine two friends who both earn $5,000 every month. The first spends all $5,000. At the end of the month, his bank account is nearly empty. The second saves and invests 20% of every paycheck. After several years, the second person has built investments that continue growing, while the first person is still waiting for the next payday. Financial freedom doesn't begin when you earn more money. It begins when you control the money you already have. Ask yourself one question. If your paycheck stopped today, how long could you survive? 1 week? 1 month? 6 months? Your answer reveals your financial health. Breaking this habit starts with one simple rule. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills, shopping, or spending on entertainment, save a percentage of every paycheck. Even 10% invested consistently can grow into a life-changing amount over time. Remember, poor people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. This is only the beginning. In the next section, we'll uncover another powerful habit that quietly destroys financial success and prevents millions of people from building lasting wealth. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is spending first and saving whatever is left at the end of the month. Unfortunately, there is usually nothing left to save. New expenses always appear, unexpected bills arrive, and impulse purchases slowly drain every dollar. This is why so many hardworking people never build real wealth, even after years of earning a good income. Wealthy people follow a completely different system. They save first and spend what remains. The moment their paycheck arrives, they automatically move a percentage into savings or investments before paying for entertainment, shopping, or luxury items. They understand that saving money is not an expense. It is an investment in their future. Imagine two people earning the same salary of $6,000 per month. The first spends freely and hopes to save whatever is left. The second automatically invests 20% of every paycheck on payday. After 10 years, the difference between their financial lives is enormous. One is still struggling to pay bills, while the other has built investments that continue growing through the power of compound interest. Many people believe they will start saving when they earn more money. The truth is that if you cannot save a small amount today, earning a bigger salary usually leads to bigger spending instead of bigger savings. Wealth is built through discipline, not income alone. A simple habit can change everything. Treat your savings like a mandatory monthly bill. Set up automatic transfers so you never have to rely on willpower. Even small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth over time. Always remember this powerful rule. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. This single habit has helped countless people escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and move toward financial freedom. For millions of people, a credit card feels like extra money. Swiping a card is fast, easy, and painless, which is exactly why it can become one of the most dangerous financial habits. Every purchase made with borrowed money is a promise to pay it back later, often with high interest. What starts as a small balance can quickly grow into thousands of dollars in debt, making it harder and harder to get ahead. Wealthy people view credit differently. They understand that a credit card is a financial tool, not free money. They use it responsibly, pay the full balance every month, and never spend more than they can afford. Their goal is to earn rewards and build a strong credit history, not to finance a lifestyle they cannot afford. Imagine two friends who each earn the same income. One buys expensive clothes, electronics, and vacations using credit cards, making only the minimum monthly payment. The other uses a credit card only for planned purchases and pays the balance in full before interest is charged. 5 years later, the first person is drowning in debt, paying hundreds of dollars every month in interest. The second person has no credit card debt, a healthy savings account, and money invested for the future. The difference isn't income, it's financial discipline. Credit card debt also steals your future opportunities. Money that could have been invested, used to start a business, or saved for a home is instead spent on interest payments. Every dollar paid in interest is a dollar that can no longer work for you. The solution is simple but powerful. Before using a credit card, ask yourself one question: can I pay this balance in full today? If the answer is no, think carefully before making the purchase. Learn to separate wants from needs, create a monthly budget, and avoid impulse buying. Financial freedom comes from controlling your spending, not from increasing your debt. Remember this lesson: a credit card can either build your financial future or destroy it. The choice depends on how you use it. Wealth is not created by borrowing more money. It is created by making smart financial decisions every single day, never investing money. One of the biggest financial mistakes that keeps hardworking people trapped in the same cycle of earning and spending is the habit of never investing money. At first glance, it may seem safe or even responsible to avoid investing. Many people think that saving money in a bank account is enough to build financial security. They believe that as long as they are not losing money, they are doing fine. But in reality, this mindset is one of the main reasons why wealth never grows for millions of people. Money that is not invested does not multiply. In fact, over time, it loses value due to inflation and rising costs of living. This means that even though a person may feel financially stable today, their purchasing power slowly decreases year after year. Most people work extremely hard for their income. They wake up early, go to jobs, or run small businesses, and try their best to provide for their families. However, the problem is not their effort, but their financial system. They earn money, spend it on needs and desires, and whatever is left is saved in a bank account with very low interest. While this feels safe, it creates a financial ceiling. No matter how many years they work, their money remains almost the same. It does not grow in a meaningful way, and therefore, they remain dependent on continuous work for survival. On the other side, financially successful individuals think differently. Another reason people avoid investing is lack of knowledge. Schools and colleges often do not teach practical financial education. People grow up learning how to earn, but not how to grow money. As a result, investment feels complicated or only meant for experts. This misunderstanding keeps them stuck in hesitation. In reality, investing is not about being a financial genius. It is about learning basic principles, starting small, and staying consistent. Even small investments made regularly can grow into significant wealth over time due to the power of compounding. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in finance. It means earning returns not only on your original money, but also on the returns already earned. Over time, this creates exponential growth, but compounding only works when money is invested and left to grow for a long period. People who never invest miss out completely on this powerful effect. They continue to rely only on their monthly income, which limits their financial growth. The mindset shift required here is extremely important. Instead of asking, "How much can I save this month?" the better question is, "How much can I invest this month?" Saving is important, but saving alone is not enough to build wealth. Saving protects you from emergencies, while investing builds your future. Both are necessary, but investment is what creates financial freedom. There is also a psychological difference between people who invest and those who do not. Non-investors often think in terms of spending and saving only. Their financial life revolves around salary, bills, and expenses. Investors, however, think in terms of assets and returns. They look at opportunities where money can grow instead of just sitting idle. This shift in thinking changes everything. It transforms a person from being financially reactive to financially strategic. It is also important to understand that investing does not require large amounts of money. Many people believe they need to be rich first before they can invest. This is a myth. In reality, many investment systems today allow people to start with very small amounts. What matters is not how much you start with, but how early and how consistently you start. Even small investments made regularly over years can grow into a large amount. Of course, investing always comes with some level of risk, but risk can be managed through knowledge, patience, and diversification. The real risk is not investing at all because that guarantees financial stagnation. When people avoid risk completely, they also avoid growth. And without growth, financial freedom becomes impossible. In the long run, the difference between someone who invests and someone who does not is massive. The investor gradually builds assets that generate passive income, while the non-investor continues to depend entirely on active income. This creates two very different financial futures. One leads toward freedom and flexibility, while the other leads toward lifelong dependency on work. The truth is simple but powerful. If you never invest money, you are choosing to stay in the same financial position forever. Hard work alone is not enough in today's world. Smart money management is equally important. Investing is not a luxury, it is a necessity for anyone who wants to build real wealth. To break the cycle of staying poor despite hard work, the first step is awareness. The next step is action. Start small, learn continuously, and build discipline. Over time, investing transforms from a scary idea into a powerful habit. And once that habit is formed, financial growth becomes not just possible, but inevitable.